Hey guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to quickly create an avatar overlay, in this case for facials, so in the beauty industry. So we have in the background, as you can see,
Think facials are just
some
pampering.
backdrops,
A
basically
professional
somebody,
facial deep
the
cleans
before and
pores,
after, or in
boosts
this case
collagen,
just the
and
after
gives your skin
of
a real
the
boost.
facial cleaning, and then we created an avatar. So now let's jump in how we can build this ourselves as well. All right, so now let's recreate this video. So first of all, here in HookTok, you want to go onto avatar overlay. Now you want to get, or you want to upload the background video. As you can see, we had a facial video of one of our clients. All right, so you can directly go on uploads, upload it there, or already have it here in the library. So let's click on it. The second part is you can either upload as a talking avatar a picture of yourself and then clone your voice, or create a new one. Well, it's both a cute new one if you haven't done it yet. So here on select an avatar, you can, well, in this case, we'll just choose one. All right. Let's go with Irene. Let's choose her. Perfect. All right. You can also create a different look. So if you want to have her in a different outfit, etc., you can do all of it. I'm fine with that outfit, to be honest. Let's stick with this. Right, regarding the script, I quickly went on ChatGPT, said, hey, please write me a 15-second script on the benefits of professional facials. Now I just paste it in here. Okay, think facials. All right. Now, for the voice, you can now either clone your voice. So if you click on it, so I'm recording audio to clone my voice. So you just need to read this out loud. Well, while pressing recording, of course, you need a microphone. It should be a quiet environment, so it doesn't pick up any other noises. Then you can, of course, name it, call it myself or your name, whatever works. Also, you should give it a tag so you know, so it also will be easier for all different languages. All right. Then you can confirm, clone, perfect. But in this case, I mean, it doesn't make sense to have a male voice for the female character, so avatar. So let me just quickly, in this case, choose Alice. Now let me just generate. All right, as you can see, the videos now has been generated. Oh man, that frame is definitely not the best frame. But all right, let's continue. Let's merge them. Now you can now position it. You can see, just gonna keep talking while the video is playing. I mean, this is a loop, the very short video, but all right. By the way, if the talking part is longer than the video itself, then the video will just loop. As you can see, the video is just looping. But if it would be other way around, basically the video gets cut to the length of the avatar. All right, now let's composition it. Let's merge these two videos. This should take like 15 seconds, maximum 20 seconds. All right. By the way, in the near future, you will also be able to post this on Instagram and TikTok directly from HookTok. We're working on this. Once we have released, I will send or create
Facials are
another
just
video.
pampering.
As you can
A
see,
professional
now we have
facial
our
deep
talking avatar,
cleans
baby.
pores, boosts
Here we
collagen,
go.
and
Look at
gives your
this.
skin a real reset. You'll see
Nice.
smoother texture, brighter skin,